Hello, my name is Yuchi Tian, PhD student in Columbia University. In this video, I will introduce my paper, Repairing Confusion and Bias Errors for DNN-Based Image Classifiers. Both confusion and bias error are class-level errors. If a DNN model cannot distinguish between two classes, it's a confusion error. If a DNN model is biased toward one class than the other class, it is a bias error. For example, if in a self-driving car, the DNN-based software is sometimes confused between person and bus, it is very dangerous. Another example, if in a zoo, a DNN-based software cannot distinguish between cat and tiger, it will cause big problem. In this example, because there is a baby in the image, a DNN model will be biased toward woman than man and predict the person holding the baby to be a woman. To repair these errors, we propose a feature space where each class will be represented by a vector. The vector consists of the mean output of each neuron. We also propose a differentiable L2 distance between any two classes to indicate how confusing it is for a specific DNN model. We propose this loss function to increase the distance between two classes during retraining to reduce the confusion error. We propose this loss function to make the distance between x and z as close as the distance between y and z to reduce the bias between x and y given z. Please read the paper for more detail about the formal definition of confusion and bias errors, evaluation, and results discussion. Thanks for watching.